Art has existed in various forms in India since the 3rd millennium BC. It can be seen in temples, in ancient caves, in palaces, and of course, contemporary art has a life of its own. Dubai-based art gallery Art Select recently partnered with Mantram Art Foundation, a non-profit art association from India, to present an exhibition of artwork of over 22 Indian artists. Let's hop over and take a look. Art Mantram showcased the blistering journey of breathtaking hues at play by 22 Mantram artists, and it was called Place in the Sun. The exhibition featured works with a common thread of anticipation and joy in the journey of life. Structures, figures, abstracts, forms and lines which hark back at mythology or gaze at modern life and the world around us. While the artists selected are known for the mysteries of the soul of the universe in their chosen medium of work, the works presented for the display are a myriad of emotions, faith, hope and happiness in composition, the hues and the energy.
This is Art for a Cause. In collaboration with Art Mantram, a group from Bangalore which has brought a great collection of contemporary art from India, and every piece sold here would be for charity. And I congratulate Art Mantram, Art Select as usual for putting a splendid show in a great setting. And since this is a show to raise money for the underprivileged, we hope that a lot many people buy art this time and add to their collection.
This is Art Select's first endeavor to bring in and raise charity for Indian charities. We've been doing it so far in Dubai over the past 6 years for charities belonging to UAE. And we're very proud to host this collection, and we thank Art Mantram and really hope that we can raise charity, a substantial amount for a good cause.
Place in the Sun presents an ocean of paintings derived from the nucleus of the artist's eye. This event showcased established and emerging artists like Dodamani, Purushottam and Vasudev and many more in a bid to promote art exchange.
We're really happy to be here in Dubai and extremely happy with the response which we've got for our show. We feel passionately about our organization Art Mantram, which helps in promoting young artists' works.
It's a great turnaround, some great artists and some great pieces of work. I want to wish them all the luck and hope that lots of paintings are taken. It's for a good cause.
And from one form of art, we go to another fascinating form. Very different, more contemporary, or even futuristic. Splash stays true to their beliefs and yet again churns out a calendar to treasure even after the year has gone by. And here we have for you the grit behind the scenes. Yet another exclusive feature only on High Life Dubai.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like.
After picking shades of black and white last year, this year's Splash calendar has a variety of colors, lines and shapes. Optimistic and therefore futuristic. High Life Dubai goes behind the scene and to the calendar launch event.
Price of a smile, I gotta take it to ride. So I keep living, cause it feels right. And it's so nice, and I do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better, and I like how it feels.
This is the only calendar, if I don't know whether you know, has got 13 images in 12 months. And this 13th image is from the 22nd of, it starts on the 22nd of December, because they say 21st of December is going to be the end of the world. So the December image, which you see there, is only up to 21st. And this, my favorite image, is starting from 22nd to the 31st.
So I keep living, cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I do it all again.
I think this calendar, first of all, the name is brilliant because 2012 is really about change. It's about a new beginning. It's about starting fresh.
This time it's forever. It gets better, and I
Raza Beg and Splash, they always make the best parties ever.
I like how it feels.
It always interests me to meet the great minds behind a creative project to find out how the idea was born. Let's do that now.
So I keep living, 'cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I do it all.
We are all talking about 2012 being the end of the world. So I said, yeah, maybe that's a good topic to hit on. So I said, end of the world doesn't sound too good. It's too negative. So I said, why don't we call it a new beginning? You know, yeah, every end has a new beginning at the end of it.
Feels. I like how it feels. I like how it feels.
You know, very honestly, last year's calendar was amazing, and I was wondering how you guys will better it. And when I see this now, I'm like, I'm absolutely lost for words because it's outstanding. It's mind-blowing.
Thank you, Ma.
Seriously,
Coming from you, it means a lot to us.
I like how it feels.
I love it. It's fabulous. You know what? I wouldn't have expected anything less from Raza. Because it's Raza. He comes up with new concepts, new ideas. He actually outdoes himself every time. So he's going from strength to strength. We love him. I love this man.
Huge compliment. Thank you.
So just turn it up, let me go. I'm alive, yes you know.
I am loving the Splash calendar. The photos are very, very futuristic glamour.
Never stop, give me more.
Hi, I think the Splash calendar is amazing.
And this party is amazing, and Raza Beige has done an amazing job. Well done, Splash.
I love the concept, very modern, very new age. Dubai certainly needs something like this.
Show me love, make us one.
We love I Like Dubai.
We can fly, so we keep living, 'cause it feels right.
Splash is giving away one of their avant-garde calendar, and all you need to do is answer this simple question. The question is, how many images does the Splash calendar 2012 have? A 12, B 13, C 11. Go on our Facebook fan page for more details and answer this question now. And with that, let's take a short break. Milte hain break ke baad. Coming up after the break is the annual award ceremony from Masala, followed by a tribute to our motherland on this occasion of Republic Day.